You are going to love the 2017 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, security system, capless fuel filler system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.